If YouTube is not recommending your video, then this video is for you. A lot of new YouTubers are not aware of some particular settings that needs to be done on their channel in order for YouTube to start recommending their videos to new audience or new viewers. Now, how do you even know if your videos are being recommended? When you go to your analytics, if you click on a particular video there under the reach, you can find out how that video is being found by your viewers. If it's through the YouTube search bar or if it's through suggested video. Okay, so if other videos that people are watching on YouTube are also suggesting your videos, that means your videos are being recommended, and that is actually a very good sign. Now, YouTube recommending your videos does not mean that your videos has to be viral. It's a good sign that you are on the right track. It's only going to be a matter of time before your videos start blowing up. And also another way to tell is to check your arrow, how it looks like. So that's also another indication to know if YouTube is recommending your video. So in this video, I am going to take you to my dashboard and show you this particular setting that you need to turn on immediately on your YouTube studio to ensure that YouTube is able to start recommending your videos. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela and I am the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you updates that will help you grow faster here on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share so that other people can benefit from this video today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my dashboard with you. So the best way to access this feature is not on your YouTube Studio app, but on your desktop. So you have to go to your desktop. If you don't have a laptop, just go to your web browser and type in YouTube Studio Dashboard, and it should take you to your dashboard. So I'm going to share my dashboard with you right now, and I'm going to take you to that place where you have to have that feature turned on. It's going to be in 2 steps. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go over here to customization. You have to go to customization, and then once you are here under the home tab, you click on the home tab. Then you have to first of all ensure that this one here is turned on. Okay, like this, when it's black like this, it means it's turned on. When it's grayed out, it means it's off. Okay, so you have to make sure that this one here is turned on. So what is this? This is the home tab. It says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content audience. So this means when someone comes to your channel, they are going to be welcomed with a lot of content that you have been creating in the past. And in order to make that even more interesting, what is very, very important that we always get you views no matter what. As long as somebody is coming to your channel newly, if you have a channel's trailer set up, you are going to get views from those viewers, whether they like it or not, because once they come to your channel like this, that video is going to start playing. So that's your channel trailer. So you have to make sure that you have uploaded your best video here or linked your best performing video here as your channel trailer. Okay, so they say channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. So when someone who is a potential subscriber comes across your channel and they go to your channel, they are going to be welcomed by the video you put on this channel trailer tab here. Okay, so you have to make sure that you put one of your best performing video here so that that person or that potential subscribers will have no option than to what? Subscribe, because that's the aim, right? So another thing that you want to make sure you have set up is this one here that says featured video for returning subscribers. Okay, so you have to put another good performing video here for returning subscribers, for your subscribers who always visit your channel every now and then to see if you have uploaded new content. So you have to also put good performing video here to ensure that they have something good to welcome them. And then we have another one here, this For You page. The For You page is very important because the For You page is where most of your videos will, show up once someone is in your channel. Okay, so but you have to make sure that you enable this For You page the right way. So what you are going to do is click here, okay? You click on more settings. So when you click on more settings, first of all, you can choose what type of content you want YouTube to show in your for You page. So either you say they should show your videos, your shorts, or your live streams, okay? So you can choose the type of content that should appear in your For You page. In my own case, I have highlighted just the videos because the aim is to get 4,000 watch hours. So I want those long form videos to be out there. So you can enable that. You can also choose all the three of them, the video, shorts, or live streams, if you wish, okay? So another thing that is so important when it comes to YouTube recommending your videos and the type of videos they are recommending is this one here, okay? So this one says all content recommended, okay? So if you choose by default, YouTube only recommends recent videos, okay, by default. So that means only your recent videos that have been published in the past 12 months will be recommended by YouTube to your new viewers or to people coming to your channel, right? So, but that means if you have older videos that are actually good, those videos will not be recommended or will not be shown by YouTube in your For You page. Yeah, so in order to make sure that all your content on your channel are getting the traction they need, make sure that you have set it to all content for YouTube to start recommending all content. So if you don't enable this, that's why sometimes we have old videos that, you know, they don't get any views anymore. They are just like stuck. It's because YouTube are no longer recommending those videos maybe, and you know, they are only recommending your recently uploaded video in the past 12 months. So the reason why you see most videos on YouTube of 5 years ago still showing up in your news feed is because most creators have this option here enabled, okay, to ensure that all their videos from their channels are being pushed by YouTube, especially when those videos are filled with good information and very valuable. Okay, so that is that. So you make sure after you are done making all the settings and changing, make sure you go on and do publish. Okay, very important, because if you don't publish it, those settings are not going to be activated. So this is very crucial and important for you to do. So of course, when it comes to setting up your channel for success, there are a lot of features available for us to explore that maybe if you are new to YouTube, you might not even be aware of this type of settings. Okay, so that's why it's good to be friends with your YouTube dashboard, with your YouTube studio, with your YouTube analytics, to study everything that is there, because YouTube has actually provided everything here in the YouTube studio to ensure that creators are able to, get monetized faster, to make sure we have a very stress-free experience. But if you are not aware of these settings, or you don't know your left to your right, especially if you are a new creator, it's going to be difficult to, get the results you are looking for. So go to your YouTube studio right now. If you have not set up that part on your channel, go and do that right away. And then come back here and give me your testimony if you have seen any changes in your video's performance, and so on and so forth. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share so that others can also benefit from this update. And also let me know in the comment section, were you aware of this setting before, or are you just getting to know about it? Let's chat. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now.